very welcome back to the British Offroad Masters from Worksop. As well as the really race format invitational class, there is an open class, of course. You'll see the photographs. And this is the four-wheel drive A final from that. Just one leg. It's a winner takes all. I'm hoping that the online results will update now and I'll be able to tell you who is who. So big thanks to Schumacher, Rude Bits, Model Tune, RC Octane and FF Racing. We would really be lost without them. And a little reminder, if you don't mind, to hit like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference if we know people are actually watching and enjoying and keeping up to speed. There's a technical problem at race control. And these guys have run the meeting for the whole weekend. They've sat there and done it all. So well done to them. Dedicated to the cause. And behind them is Johnny Skidmore. He is watching on in interest because he is tied at the top. Himself and Tony Hall. So here we go. Here is the A final. They are away. Nearly clear at the first corner. So I can tell you it is Isaac McFadden from pole position is leading them away. Isaac, I have to say, impressed me in the two-wheel drive class. He looked very, very nice and smooth, and I believe he's not a regular here. So we can't say that he was a local expert or something. He just turned up and came racing, so well done to him. Second lap down. Isaac leads with Dave Scott behind him. It's really all about these two. Absolutely fantastic to see this sort of pace in the open class. These guys are on it. They would have done quite well in the invitational class, I believe. Now, Dave Scott is going to be putting Isaac under pressure. He is definitely getting closer. And there's a minute and 20 down. So it's early days, but that gap is shrinking as well. Pushed on a bit too hard maybe, or just a mistake. That lets McFadden off the hook. What can Scott do? Can he make up some of the difference? Put the foot down. There he is in the background, so not completely disconnected yet. A single mistake from McFadden would probably do it. So 2 minutes down. Here we go. That gap is shrinking at a very, very fast rate. Isaac McFadden is going to have to pick up the pace if he's going to keep David Scott behind him. Scott has some pace to there. The car not quite as neat to change direction as we've seen in the invitation class up the top end, but again, he would run in that invitation class with no issue at all. The car just gets away from coming onto the straight, I think. Has that car got a problem? That car, I think, has a problem. Let's see if he settles back down. Doesn't seem to be. handling like it did. Let's see if it's just nerves or what. That car has a problem. Yes. So that's fine, McFadden. Here he is. Isaac McFadden leads from pole position. A nice way to do it. There is a minute and a half to go of this A final. And the pressure is off now. He really has a 6-second lead over, well, it's still showing David Scott as being in second. Is this David Scott coming up behind him? Car number 9 is Alfie Castle. No, it's not. He has lapped Dylan Richardson. That is it. My mistake. Number 4 is the next Tony Bishop, also being lapped. So I'm looking back at lap cars, all worried, nothing to worry about. Isaac McFadden, 4-second lead, still over David Scott. David obviously got whatever was wrong with the car, it was sorted out. Let's see if we can spot David. Where is David? No, I don't see him. I don't know whether these results are not updating or what. This is McFadden's last lap. Well, he actually hasn't finished, but he's not going to do the last lap. So, there is Isaac being congratulated by section chairman Martin Owen. Great results. So, it was McFadden, Scott and Rob Fox in third. That was the 4-wheel drive A final. Come back to us for round 5 of the Invitational.